Hello, so we're going to add an athlete to an event. So we're going to go to athletes, and we're going to go manage athletes. And we can see we've got our one athlete that we entered earlier. So I'm going to click on edit, and we'll see available events, and we've got all the events that this athlete is eligible for. In this case, all the intermediate boys events. So if I click on enter, the javelin will disappear from the list. And if we go to entered events, we can see that he's been entered and his vest number 7. And we can do this for another event, so javelin and say discus. And they're both entered here. We can remove an athlete from an event by clicking on the cross next to the listed event. And it's now available here again. There's an alternative way of adding in athletes, which is more useful if you've got a long list of athletes already in your database and you want to add several at the same time. We can see here we've got our list of athletes that I'm just going to resize to that area. If I go to our events page and I look up the intermediate boys events, I can see that the javelin and the discus have gone purple, because those events have got an athlete entered into them. And let's say I want to also add this athlete into a shot put. I can drag Will Shepherd over shot put, release, and E will now change to 1, E for entered, R for results, and S for selected. For any event, I can see the athletes that are currently in it by clicking on this entries button, which looks like 2 faces, and I can see that William Shepherd is entered here, and I can click on the name to get back to this screen. So I can close all these, and I can carry on until I've selected them all. If I drag on to an event that this athlete is not eligible for example, if I try to enter William into a junior boys event, I'll get a message that says the athlete is not eligible for this event. And you're done. You can now move on to the next athlete.